Hey, hello, how are you? Good evening, good afternoon. And again, this is Butch Bartolome of the Business Mentor Talks over at Manila Times. Good Sunday noon to you. So, alam nyo ngayon today, this really Sunday, I tell you, just like in our more than 50 episodes, we always try to bring in somebody who can really give us that golden nuggets. And this Sunday, we have somebody. When you use alcohol, ano ba natatandaan ninyo? Ano bang brand ang ginagamit ninyo? During the pandemic, I'm sure we were all scampering for alcohol, the 70% isopropyl, okay? But we always trust a brand, isn't it? Diba? So this morning, oh my gosh, this is somebody who is a grandson who lives and tries to promote the legacy of his grandfather. And you know what? There is the book called The Green Cross Saga of Gonzalo Coit. So let's introduce Dennis Ko. Okay, Dennis, good noon to you. Good Sunday to you. Kamusta ba?
Now, first of all, Mr. Butch Bartolome, okay, good afternoon. Okay, happy Sunday. Okay, yes.
Yes, tell us, Dennis, you are proudly promoting the saga or the Green Cross saga of your Lolo, Gonzalo Coit. Tell us, who is Gonzalo Coit?
Okay, Mr. Gonzalo Coit was my grandfather. Okay, he came from China. Okay, at 11 years old. Okay, and then there he worked yeah can you is it okay lang?
He worked in,
Yeah,
saan siya? Nung 11 years old,
yeah,
but he came to the Philippines nung 11, right?
yeah,
With his mother.
yeah,
You know why? Because, I've been reading this book, and
yeah,
this book
received it
really, I tell you, one book that I never stopped to learn, to read, reread and reread. And really, at the age of 11 with this grandmother, bakit sila nagpunta dito? From
oh
China.
yeah, okay, he came here from China, no, at
Oo.
11 years old because first his grandmother passed away already. Okay,
Okay.
when he was 10 years old. So his father asked him to come to the Philippines, no? Okay, para may kasama sila dito, magkakasama na dito, no? Okay, so at around 11 years old, so pumunta siya dito sa Philippines na with his mother. Okay,
Mm.
and then ayan, it started there.
Oo. But at 11 years old, it was very, very young. Now
Yes.
imagine, wala, even the language, siguro, he never, he had to learn the hard way, because I'm sure he was not a Tagalog or English
No, no,
speaking. So
no.
he had to learn the hard way, the
Yes, okay.
language.
He has to assimilate, no? For some, he has to learn Tagalog and English, especially
Mm.
Tagalog is language to
Oo.
uh, to
So,
the.
but as the eldest grandson, Dennis, I'm sure you learned a lot. You were so very fortunate na to pick up and see how your Lolo Gonzalo lived and pass on his values. Ano ba yung mga natatandaan mo sa kanya?
Okay, yung mga, yeah, yes, of course, no. He has a lot of values that imparted to me. One of which the you have to be humble. To be humble, especially even though if you're successful already, you have to be stay grounded. No,
Uh-huh.
you have to be yeah, humble, and then the second, you have to help the poor people or the needy.
I
Yun.
I remember reading in a book that He worked as a bodeguero, as
Yes,
a
yes,
waiter.
yes.
Ano pa? Ano yung mga sinimulan niya na
It's
talagang
waiter. First, the waiter, no? As a working student, naging waiter po siya. Pangalawa, after that, in Star Cafe in Binondo. And
oo.
also, naging bodeguero, kusinero and bodeguero sa Manila Commercial Company. Yan. After that, he became a treasurer of that said company and then became a salesman.
Fantastic. But you mentioned working student. Saan ba siya nag-aral, Dennis?
Before, nag-aral po siya sa Lasal. Lasal, no? High school.
LaSalle University. You're the one in Taft.
No, before hindi pa university yan, before LaSalle College.
Oh, LaSalle College,
College pa.
the one in Taft Avenue, correct?
Yes, yes, tama, no? And
Oh,
then,
shout out to the Animo LaSalle. Yan, yung mga
yes,
okay.
oo.
So, that's the reason. Is that the reason why green?
Yes,
Green
Green
Cross?
Cross, yes. Because he named after the his school, no? Which naging ano siya, all the traits, his traits, no, and that become a naging prayerful, naging religious, no, is because of the LaSalle brothers taught
Oh,
him.
there. So yung the influence of the LaSalle
Yes,
brothers really played
yes,
so much on him,
yes.
no?
Uh,
So
naging ganyan siya, no?
so imagine mo, he was a working student at the same from Binondo and then traveling all the way to Taft. It's
Yeah.
not that easy at that time, right? I mean,
Yes.
medyo malayo-layo pa rin yun.
Yes. Okay. After that, he studied in FEU also, but 2 years only. Two
Aha.
years, no? In college na niya, he studied the commerce, commerce.
Oo.
And then after that, nga, naging working student na siya.
So tell me, how did he start this business of alcohol?
Okay.
Marami naman siya negosyong pwedeng simulan, di ba?
Yes.
Why
Yes.
alcohol?
Yeah, because of his experience in Manila Commercial Company, which
Mm.
nagbebenta ng selling rubbing alcohol that time from America. They're importing, no? The
Okay.
company, the Philippine company, the Manila Commercial Company, they're importing alcohol, rubbing alcohol, personal care in general, personal cares. One of which is the rubbing alcohol. Great in the name, Grey Cross. Grey Cross,
Gray.
Grey Cross.
Gray Cross.
Grey
Gray.
Cross,
Okay.
color green, na Grey Cross rubbing alcohol. So, yun. That's because of that na bigyan siya ng pagkakataon, opportunity to sa sales nga na nagbenta ng mga alcohol. So he got all the experience there. The in and outs of the selling.
Pero I cannot imagine he started how much? 3,400 pesos
Yes,
as a startup
3,400.
investment.
Yes,
And this was probably what, 1950s, right? Tama ba?
1952.
1952. And even then, it was from his savings.
Yes, yes po. From his savings, especially he became a English teacher at night. Sa gabi po, nagtuturo siya ng English sa mga yung mga from China. Yung mga student from China, no? Yung mga pumunta rin dito, tinuturo niya na mag-English.
So siya yung para bang transition.
Yeah, yeah.
Because alam niya yung buhay ng somebody who migrated.
Yes, exactly.
Di ba?
Yes, during time kasi marami nag-migrate from China to the Philippines. Yan.
So
Yeah.
para bang he was trying to help his fellow countrymen to adjust by
Yes.
especially learning the language, no?
Yes.
So yun importante doon. But
Yes.
again, I was so impressed because he said that yung 3,400 he had to and then rent an apartment for 90 pesos a month, di
Yes,
ba?
tama po yun, no? Nasa sa Taft Avenue sa Pasay City.
Mm.
Exact na sa 2500 Taft Avenue, Pasay City.
So isa sa mga nakita ko, the alcohol.
Yes.
Siguro nakita niyo yung advantage, right? This
Yes.
will be of help to a lot of people.
Yes, tama po yun.
Sanitation rather
Yes.
than
Hygiene.
just
The
personal
hygiene.
care, no? Hygiene. Oo. Pero na-intriga ako kasi Dennis. He said that he was peddling. He was
Tama po.
peddling and offering it to different stores, sari-sari stores, his
Drugstores po.
alcohol.
Sa drugstores. Sa drugstores.
sa
drugstores.
drugstores
Yes.
in Quiapo. And
In Manila.
oo, tapos nagkaroon pa siya ng ito yung first delivery truck, no?
Yes, yeah, tama po yan.
Yung delivery truck niya na although he did not know how to drive,
Hindi po
but
naman.
he was he was really driving. He got somebody to help him, no?
Yes, tama
So
po.
yun yung ano doon. But ano ba yung lifestyle ni Gonzalo that you saw?
It's very simple. It's very simple. Lifestyle niya very simple, practical, no. Yun mga nakikita ko sa kanya. Very simple lang, very humble, no. Yun yung mga nakikita ko po.
Oo. Kasi sabi dito rin, he even introduced Sonrox.
Yes, yeah, tama po.
Oh my gosh, Sonrox. Oh, yung mga kaibigan ha.
Yeah.
Nakita nyo, dalawang brand. Green Cross Alcohol and Sonrox. Bakit nga pala Sonrox? Ang ganda ng
Okay.
pangalan eh.
Okay, after the Green Cross, he launched Green Cross no, that was in 1952. He launched naman Sonrox, no. So but before he launched the Sonrox, he did the market research, no. So he went to a school or a place no, he make a research no for that alcohol, how to make make the bleach no po no. And afterwards yun, nag-launch siya ng bleach. At first gusto niya ipangalan po ng Gonrox after the name of Gonzalo, Gonrox. But there was a Chinese trader also na nag-complain, pumunta sa office niya, nag-complain na huwag gamitin yan ng brand name kasi yung competitor niya, pangalan Old Rocks. Old Rocks sounds similar. So, without making fuss naman, may lolo change it to Zon Rocks because of the Gonzalo, the Zay. No, the Gonzalo, the Zay. So ginawa na lang yung sa Gon Rocks, ginawa Zon Rocks, letter Z.
Ginawa niya Zonrox dahil meron nagre-reklamong Gonrox.
Yes. Kasi Old Rocks.
Ang nangyari tuloy, itong Zonrox naging byword na, hindi ba?
Yes,
Pag sinabi mong, alam mo, ito yung, I guess, guys, you have to get this book. This is a book that any university, any college, or schools for that matter, high school, should really have, no, because ang daming learnings, no? Sabi nga niya, real life business school.
Yes.
But just imagine the two brands, Green Cross Alcohol and Zonrox. And when people buy alcohol, they don't buy alcohol, di ba? Ako nga, pag sinabi kong bili ka ng alcohol, hindi eh. Anong brand? Di ba? Branding. Pag sinabi mong Clorox, ano ba yung Clorox? Hindi eh. Zonrox. Di ba?
Tama po.
Fantastic ang branding ng Lolo Gonzalo mo. Ako talagang saludo ko sa iyo. But he was saying that he lived a frugal life.
Yes, tama po 'yun. Especially when he was starting the business, no. Frugal life, even to say hindi siya magastos because he has to think of the children. He has around 8 children. So he has also to take good care of his siblings. No, so he definitely he has to be frugal. And also that time kasi may business siya. Business siyang minasikaso. So starting pa lang that time no, hindi pa talagang very stable no. So yun, frugal. He has to be frugal.
And alam mo, grabe no, ang galing no, simplicity, living a life that's very very just tamang-tama lang, hindi naman yung sobra-sobra na masyadong ostentatious, di ba? Masyadong maraming mga arte pa, but sa kanya simple lang, no? And even sinasabi niya dito, your word is your bond.
Yes.
Kumbaga,
tama po yun. Parang sa negosyante before, especially for the Chinese businessman, Filipino-Chinese, no? When you say something, talagang, or shake hand lang, you mean to say parang nasa good to go na contact niya
So in other words, sinasabi niya, there's really no PO o purchase order. Di ba? Yung bang, tama, no? Ang galing, no? Hindi ko kailangan ng PO mo, but your word is your bond already. In other words, your word is so great already. Di ba? Sinasabi niya.
That's applicable before, but right now, I don't think it's applicable.
Oo. Pero alam mo ngayong mga panahon ngayon, I think the most impactful talagang may ano is the one that has credibility, no? Kasi
Yes,
'di
credibility
ba?
is the most
Uh,
important. Yes.
may mga tao rin mahirap mong singilin and all this, but
Yes,
again,
exactly.
sa akin kasi you may get around with it, but again, I always say word might be working against you.
Yes, tama po
In
yan.
other words, probably your clients will not trust you anymore, and word of mouth can be against you,
Yes,
di
yes.
ba?
Tama po kasi
So,
importante dyan yung credibility tsaka yung integrity po.
oo. So
Yeah.
yun yung importante doon, no? Yun ang
Yes.
I think basically yun ang sinasabi ni Lolo Gonzalo ngayon, ha? Kahit hindi mo ako bayaran ngayon, okay lang, but hindi niya maikakagutom yun, di ba? Yun ang sinasabi
Yes.
natin. Pero it remains there in the universe, di ba?
Mhm.
Kumbaga, bahala ka na. Ako, I've done my part. In other words,
Yes.
gano'n, di ba? So,
Tama po
yeah.
yan.
So, um, you said that he led a prayerful life.
Yes, tama po.
Ano yung mga devotion na nakita mo kay Lolo Gonzalo when you always what? Ilang years kang na tumira with him?
Okay. I was with my lolo. Maging housemate kami, no? More than 20 plus years, no? Okay. And then we were roommate more than 12 years. So lahat
Teka,
ng mga ginagawa niya, nakikita mo talaga. Yung ginagawa ko naman, nakikita rin niya.
so na-absorb mo yung kanyang ginagawa, no?
Yes,
Yung
and then
kanyang
of course,
lifestyle.
yes.
Ano bang healthy
Simple lang.
lifestyle ni Lolo Gonzalo?
Yung lifestyle, he always tell me to eat healthy food, no? Health,
Ah.
and tapos yung sleep early, go to gym. Yung mga ganyan ito po, sabi sa akin, for you to have a good yung sa ano ba, lifestyle and live a long life. Yung sabi pati sa akin. And pray.
And talking about long life, how long did he live?
He around 94 years old. He
How many years old?
94.
Wow.
94 years old. Yeah, he passed
94,
away.
short of 6 years na.
Yeah, short of 6 years to 100. Sayang.
Oo.
Yeah.
So, that's really a long life, ha? Yun ang mga, I'm sure he enjoyed seeing the grandchildren
Yes,
and
and
the
the great
other.
grandchildren.
Oo.
Yeah.
So, tell me, nowadays kasi ngayon, Dennis, masyadong maraming distraction. How would your lolo now, probably, if he were alive
Mm.
today,
Yeah, may lolo,
ano
yes.
kaya sasabihin ni Lolo Gonzalo sa mga pamumuhay at yung mga negosyo na nangyayari ngayon? Ano kaya sasabihin niya kung buhay siya?
I think one of wishes that was sabihin niya makikita niya na live live within your means. Yan. Within your means. Don't overspend. Kasi overspend at time will come magkakautang, something like that eh. No.
Mhm.
So ang nakikita ko sa kanya yun live within your means so you can live comfortably. 'Di ba? Kung you always spend with yung mga hindi naman kailangan i-spend, 'di ba? Magkakaroon ng problema in the near future. Especially
Aha.
when especially pagtanda, kailangan siyempre ng yung mga funds, no? Yung mga for the sa hospital, something like that, no?
Correct, correct.
Tapos another thing naman nakikita ko sa kanya na lang a simple life as long as also if you can help the people. No, back go you have to pay back to the society, which
Oh, yung paying
society,
it forward, di
yeah,
ba? Yung
society help you a lot, no? Because of
correct.
ginawa mo rin. Tsaka kasi nakita ko talaga, Mr. Bartolome, my lolo is really blessed eh. Sa nakikita ko. Because you know what, I can say, this, because some businessmen, they have to try until you succeed. But my lolo, he tried once lang and then he succeeded with
So
the
talagang,
branches.
in other words,
Yeah.
single product siya, no? In other words, alcohol.
Yeah.
Next step, Zone
Yes,
Rocks.
on rock.
But
So,
it's still liquid. It's
yes
still
po, yes po.
chemical base.
Yes, yes.
Pero focus siya.
Yes
Hindi yung
po.
hindi yung meron kang product ngayon pero iba-iba na yung negosyo mo ngayon to the point
Ano,
na
hindi
meron
po
ka ng
yun.
iba-ibang negosyo, di ba?
Na that different business line or something, no, may lolo just focus, no, with the yun nga, tama po sabi nyo na ang alcohol, after alcohol naging bleach naman, and then yun parang naging dalawa na. So Green Cross and Sunrocks, no, at least these two
Mm.
talagang kasi nakakailangan siyempre pag alcohol kailangan ng bleach, mabilis naman kailangan ng alcohol, something like that.
So amazing. So Dennis,
Yes.
saan ba makakakuha ng librong ito at saan nila mababasa itong librong, yung mga contents na itong book? Alam mo, makapal ho I tell you, nagulat ako this about 188, 189,
Yes.
okay? And 89, and with all the grandchildren there, it's a great book.
Mm-mm.
And imagine mo Gonzalo living a full life, no?
Yes, yes,
Para
yes.
bang ang ganda ng buhay niya, ha? I heard that there are people who say that he could be considered as a saint.
Yes, yes, yeah,
Ha?
I've heard some people also telling me telling me that your lolo can be a grandfather, can be a saint. He's siyempre for me it's really I'm so happy to hear that, you know.
Oo, kasi he was always thinking of others before
Yes,
himself, no?
yes,
Tama?
exactly. Tama po yan. Yeah,
I
he
mean,
also, before when he was still alive, he also go to the mga hospitals, or mga
yeah.
bahay every Saturdays, no? One of which, no, yung sabi ko na isa sa mga ginagawa niya, he's been doing that for 50 years, visiting the sick and then distributing alcohol, mga ganyan, and praying for them.
Mhm.
Or yeah,
Talagang matindi pala ang influence ng Lasal brothers sa kanya.
yes, yes, yes,
I
yes, yes.
mean
Christian brothers.
that
Christian brothers.
spirituality
Yes.
really tumatak sa kanya.
Yes, yeah. I always say that because of Lasal, talagang natuto niya or naging ganito siya. Kung ano nang kung what yeah, he was, no? Ano yung personality, ano character is because of De La Salle.
Mm. Yeah, I know a lot of I must be thankful to you also, Dennis, because you're a grandson who lives because you have a saga and how your grandfather really affected your life. So
Ay,
today,
yeah.
ikaw ba are you living the life of what your grandfather Gonzalo has passed on to you?
Yes. What I mean, yeah, yes, tama po 'yan, no? Siyempre, what my lolo taught me, I have to always instill in my mind. Because there are times I'm thinking, if I do this something not so good or ganyan, it will not really affect directly to me. It will directly affect it to him. Siyempre, people ask, sino nag-alaga sa'yo? Sino nagpalaki sa'yo? Di ba?
Si-
Naisip ko po
ina,
yun eh. Bago ko gagawa ng something, no? Siyempre, hey, baka maano yung lolo ko. No, 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 no. Better not, better not.
Alam mo, tama yan, ha? Tama din.
Tama
Yung
po ba yan?
mga the family name is
Yes,
much more heavy, and yet people must think about the repercussion, di ba?
yes, yun po.
Yung bang baka mag-roll sa grave yung lolo mo at
Yes,
dalawin ka na, "Hoy Dennis, you're not living what I taught you."
yes.
Di ba? Yung
Yun nga
mga
po.
ganun.
Yun po. Kasi Mr. Bartolome, I always also talking to my lolo.
Ah,
Madalas I talking to him, 'di ba? I also pray for him, 'di ba? I also visit his graveyard, no? Uh,
mm.
it's in the cemetery. Yeah.
So really, I appreciate what you're doing. You have published marami na itong books na ito, ha? I mean, how many copies has this been? This used to be what available in Power Books
Yeah.
and
It was.
other
Yeah,
right?
it was available in Power Books and in National Bookstore, no, before.
Oo,
Okay.
yan, ha.
It is,
Uh,
Mr. Bartolome, if I may add, no, this one, the Green Cross Saga, tomorrow, tomorrow is May 4, po, no?
no, we're ano ito, August.
Yeah, ito
Oo.
po maging 18 years na. Ano,
So this book is already what?
18 years.
Wow,
18
18
po.
years na itong book na ito, and you published this on May
May 4. May 4, 2007. The
Oh
book
my gosh.
launching, the book launching. The book
The book
launching,
launching of this
yeah,
is May 4.
yeah,
May
the book
4,
launching, yeah,
2007.
7.
Oy,
18 years na po yan.
I tell you, if you don't get a book, this book, you're missing a lot. No? Alam mo sa akin kasi, Dennis, reading a book is something where the author speaks to you.
Tama po. Tama po yan.
There is no other resource. Yeah, you can learn, and now you're also turning it into an audiobook. But taking time to read is something very beneficial, no?
Yes po, yes
To
po.
everyone, no? Like for example, ito, hindi ko na ho tinitigilan to eh. Every time meron akong time, I'll read a page and I will contemplate and say, fantastic, this man really lived a full life and has
Yes.
given such legacy, you know,
Yes.
what your grandfather did. Anyway, then it's such a pleasure to be here with Business Mentor Blog and really sharing it with our viewers over Manila Times. I'm sure they can find you in all the social media and also in the website, no?
Yes po. The website po ng The Green Cross Saga. Okay.
Green Cross Saga.
Or in the social media naman po, just type his name, Gonzalo Coit. Everything will be there na. Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Why it? Some people might be saying, why it? Kasi Gonzalo ko.
Yeah, Gonzalo ko. No? It is in Chinese is number 1. No, and then there's a meaning. It happened something, no, in the immigration when he arrived in the Philippines and for the becoming naturalized. He's the first in the line. That's why it became it. Yeah, that's
So
it happened.
so the Gonzalo ko the first actually
Kuwait,
yon
yeah.
wala.
Kuwait, yeah.
Oo.
Kuwait, yeah.
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 So again, Dennis, it's really a pleasure, an honor for you to share with us
Yes.
the
Thank you very
Green
much po
Cross
rin, Mr.
Saga.
Bartolome. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And again, please, every time you see Green Cross or Sunrocks, bear in mind the man behind is actually this man.
Yes, tama po.
Without him, imagine mo, ano kaya ang magiging buhay natin? Especially nung pandemic. Siguro nung pandemic, Dennis, if he were alive, he would be getting out and spreading, you know. I even heard that he was buying Green Cross from pharmacy, from his own pocket.
Yes, tama po.
And he will just distribute it. No, he will not get it from the factory.
No. That's true.
Diba?
Tama po yan. Tama po. Sabi ng dad ko na nakita rin niya mismo. He bought the alcohol, Green Cross alcohol, and then bumili siya. No, tapos binigay niya sa mga may kailangan.
Actually, pwede naman kung tutuusin mo, ako may-ari ganito, kunin mo lang, mag-order ka ng 5 karton o ganito. Hindi eh. Pero hindi eh. He bought it from a retailer.
Yes, tama po yan.
With the profit.
Yes, tama po.
And from his own pocket.
Yes, tama po. This is true.
Grabe. Talagang santo nga itong lolo mo. At sana naman merong hindi malayo. I mean, you never know. People who are watching this might even say to the church, why don't we look into this? Diba? I mean, I mean, there are a lot of saints that are also civilians. Diba? So, you never know. Life can be a turning, can be a full of surprise, diba?
Yes, tama po. Yan, Mr. Bartolome. That's true. That's true, no?
Oh, and
also, I can also share. I'm really fortunate, no? Really fortunate because when my grandfather passed away, I have his ring.
Oh,
this is his ring, no? Every time he wearing this one when he was still alive, and then his watch.
Oh,
and also his rosary. I didn't bring lang, no? I have his 3 most memorable things is with me. That's why I really treasure it a lot. No, that's why I really look up to my grandfather Gonzalo.
Fantastic. Yes. I'm sure his spirit is all over you
Oh, yeah.
And even at this point that you are being, you're having this interview,
Yes.
you're out there sharing what he has done, and not just to sort of parang put the spotlight on him. No, I'm sure
Yes.
I saw na he's always all for others, eh. No,
Mm. Mm.
hindi siya
Yeah.
nagyayabang ng sarili niya.
Ano, ayaw po niya yun, no? Ayaw niya nasa spotlight na sa kanya. He wants ano lang talagang to help, no? Without, kung pwede anonymous, the better pa nga eh. No, he doesn't want
Mm.
to, ako nagbigay, ako na ganito, contribute, blah, blah. No, he doesn't like that.
Mm.
He doesn't like,
So what year did he pass away, Dennis, if you don't mind?
sorry, what
What
year?
year did he pass away?
He passed away April 15, 2016.
April 15,
2016.
2016.
I think 9 years already.
Okay, so it's about almost
9 years.
it's 9 years,
9
no?
years, yeah.
And it must be difficult for you, especially you live with him for so many years,
Yeah.
that he suddenly disappeared. It must be to get to move on, di ba?
Yes, tama
Sa'yo.
po yun. Yes, yes, no. Uh, yes po, nahirapan din po ako na when he passed away, no, na siyempre, at first, my lola already gone, and then my lolo's gone, di ba? Yun. But I always go and visit their grave, no,
Mm-hmm.
or cemetery.
Yeah,
I always make sure
right.
to the point, no, I visit them, especially their birthdays and their death anniversaries.
Yes. So anyway, Dennis, thank you very much.
Yeah,
It's an
yeah.
honor again.
It's an
And
honor.
really, I tell you, keep us updated what's going on with the Green Cross saga, and any updates that you want. And really, every time you see that green bottle, oh, it
Yes.
used to be bottle pala ha, glass,
Glass, yeah, it
right?
was glass bottle. The original glass bottle.
Wala ka bang original glass no na naitabi na original
A
glass
photo.
bottle?
I have a photo only. A photo.
Not photo. Wala ka natabing collectors. Oh, it
Wala
must
po
be a
eh.
collector's item,
But
ha?
I have my lolos, but my brother has the first talagang Green Cross button na
Yes.
transistor radio. That's AM. I remember the AM. He has one like that for giveaways before.
Oh my gosh,
Yeah,
talagang galing-galing.
like that.
So yan. Oh, sige. So
Yes.
I won't prolong you anymore, and really I hope our business mentor blog viewers really learned a lot.
Well,
And if they have any questions, where can they get in touch with you, Dennis?
they can message me in in Facebook, no. My name is Dennis Ko no. Because my knowledge we are different. He is CEO, mine is KO.
Oh, why nga? Bakit nga? Paano
Because
nagkaroon?
yeah, because of my this was my father told me, and my lolo, na because of the nurse in the birth certificate, my father's birth certificate became KO. My lolo didn't bother to change it na. That's why naging KO. Supposedly CO. Everybody should be CO. No? Would you believe my other uncle is KHO naman? Yeah.
KHO ko.
KHO naman, yeah. So in the family, we have CO, KO, KHO. But and then after that, everyone's CO already. Yeah. That's why.
A
But in Chinese,
mistake.
it's the same. Basta ko naman eh. In
Oo,
Chinese,
kumbaga, the mistake that lives on, you know.
yes, 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 yes. May
You know,
lolo kasi
yeah.
talagang very, ano siya.
So,
Okay
yeah.
lang. I mean to say like
Oo.
that. Mm.
So again, friends, get in touch with Dennis Ko if you have any concern. Again, visit the Facebook, visit the website again,
Yes.
so that the memory lives on. And probably ako take it from me. I learned a lot, and if you really want to get a copy of the book, it's really worthwhile. Really
Yeah.
worthwhile. No,
Yes po.
learning from the man who walked the talk.
Yes
No?
po.
He really walked, no? He really walked. Talaga nag-pedal pa nga no?
Yes.
Nagko-commute, di
Yes.
ba? So yeah. So Dennis, thank you very much this Sunday. Wow, it's a full blessed Sunday, and regards, and keep up that good legacy.
Thank you very much din po, Mr. Bartolome, for this for inviting me. for
Thank you. Thank you.
for this Zoom meeting interview. It's an
Thank
honor
you.
and my pleasure. Thank
Thank
you
you.
very much.